everyone, it's Alyssa, and I had gone to the Apple store and I wanted to get the Apple Watch, so I did. I got the Apple Watch, and let's see, it's the Apple Watch Series 3, and it came in this long box, so I'm gonna open it here. So, open this puppy up. And the box. These are good to save because they're great to organize. And then the first thing is, I have no idea. Instructions, and I have, I guess, an extra band. Yeah, it's an extra band. That's cool. It comes with an extra band. We have the Apple Watch itself, and I had gotten this in space gray to match my phone. So, yes. Got the Apple Watch right there, such a beauty. I am so thankful for this, so thankful. I have been praying for one for quite a while, and just God is good. So I'm gonna open this. So it came with the plastic, and then we have the Apple Watch. That's what I got. I'm very excited, and so let's hook this baby up. My first impressions of this Apple Watch, I love this thing. This thing is worth its weight in gold. If you have anxiety, this thing is going to buzz you. It's the Breathe app. When your heart rate goes really high, it has you breathe like deeply. So this is really great. It has helped me to keep track of my tasks and everything. I don't have the plan to have this on the phone, but it still receives calls. I took a few calls on this thing already, and it's actually pretty clear. It's easy to text on this. It charges really fast, and this actually does track your heart rate. It's great for if you walk a lot, which I do it. In class, if the hospital calls, I'll have it on my watch instead of having my phone. It was really easy to hook up. Like, it was all on the phone. On the front face is the actual clock itself. At the bottom, it's saying that I have an appointment in the morning. So I'm really glad it does that. And Mickey. I love that thing. It's actually very easy to use. This thing is already paid for itself. So I'm very... Okay, Mickey, I heard you. The charger it came with is just a little like handheld charger. I'm thankful that I have it. It has already been, in just these few days, it has really just helped me a lot. It's helped me through an anxiety attack. It has helped me to, to track appointments and texting and calls that were important. Very thankful, and I think it's well worth the money. You do not need to have the cell phone plan on it. Like, it's up to you, but I don't have it, and I still get the phone calls, and I also get the texts. So very, very handy. I would love to know in the comments below, do you have an Apple Watch? And if you do, what kind?